Hello, everyone. It's Realtor Steve from Living in Las Vegas, Nevada. That's my YouTube channel. So if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. I come out with informational videos each week about Las Vegas and about the real estate industry. So today we're going to talk about DTI, debt to income ratio. And the DTI is your monthly debt compared to your gross monthly income, and it's expressed as a ratio. 36% or less is good. 43 or above, that's too much debt. So first, I'm going to stop here and say, when it comes to finding out if you qualify for a loan officers, lenders are the people you need to speak with. I'm here to give you as much information as I know, but lending is their expertise. Selling and buying real estate is mine. So how do you get that ratio down? Well, let's focus on reducing debt. So remember, you're trying to focus on reducing debt to lower the percentage of your DTI, because that's going to have an effect on how much you can borrow. All right, so how can you do all that? Well, pay off your credit cards. Get your credit cards down to a percentage that's not going to hurt you. You could try to increase your monthly debt payments. So if you can make that extra $25 payment on this card, that'll be great. Look into loan forgiveness. If you have loans that you might be able to get out of, go that route. Avoid taking on new debt, of course, and look for ways to increase your income. Those are all ways that will enable you to lower your DTI ratio. And find ways to reduce spending. If you can reduce spending but still enjoy life, that'll also help. So again, this is Realtor Steve from Living in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you need more information, look at the description below. My information's there. And until we see you next time, have a great day.